Hey everyone, and welcome to the GMB Activity Spy Software Video Demo, or what we call GAS for short. As you know, being successful online is all about working smarter, not harder, which is why it's our job to automate everything, well, as much as we possibly can. Today I'm going to show you our latest new unannounced software or new bonus that we haven't even discussed before. So let's jump straight into it. Hey everyone, Peter Drew here. When we're working with GMBs, the idea of working smarter is knowing which niches you can rank in before you even start. We've already created amazing research tools that give you all the data you need, as you can see here. As you'll remember, we updated our NOVP tool a couple of weeks ago. I'll just run over what we've done. So as you can see here is our script that collects all this data for any niche and any location around the world. And that brings, and we also added this download CSV file, which you'll see here. So you've got your business name. Postcode is important. As you know, if you're targeting a specific location, if in the 3-pack someone like this one isn't in the correct location, that means this business is further away, so you can jump in there with a GMB with the correct location. You've got the business name, the ratings are obviously important, the phone numbers, now also the categories. So if you assign the correct category to a GMB where the top 3 have got incorrect categories, obviously you've got an advantage. Reviews, amount of images. So we thought we had all the signals covered, but thanks to our GMB beta testers, we found one of the most important signals, which is posting content to your GMB. That data isn't in here, so we created a new script to discover that for you. And if you go to the GMB Dominator members area, you'll see it's listed here already. You can download it right now and start using this tool. Right click, download, it will run off your GMB Dominator beta testers membership. And here is the GMB Activity Spy. This is one of the most simple softwares in the world to use. You enter your niche and the location, and you can go down as many times as you like. And then you've got a scan depth. So really we're only checking, we want to know if we can get in the 3-pack or not. So to save time, you can put any number here you like. You can put 50. But typically I leave it around 5 or 6, and then it speeds up the process. So what the software is going to do is go to the GMBs and search for that niche in that location, and then see if there are posts, and if it is, take a record of it, and it's going to print all this out to a beautiful PDF once it's completed. Now the beauty of this is, before using this tool and our other research tools, means you can select surrounding neighborhoods from your main GMB area, and you can know before you even start if you will rank in the 3-pack. And that is before I even release our new extreme ranking report, which will be coming out next week, later next week, maybe the week after. But that gives you something to look forward to. And believe me, you're going to love this report. Okay, so let's fire up the software. So you enter niche and location, as many as you like. The scan depth we'll go down 6, and then click on search, which brings up our preview window, so you can see what's happening, or you can shrink it down, doesn't matter. So there you go. And what it will do, you'll see on the left, that's a paid ad. It will not take those paid ads into account in the ranking, in the report. So I'll speed this up and I'll come back once it's completed and it's printed the beautiful PDF, and I'll show you where we go from there. And boom, these are the results, and these are spectacular already. So before I get into that, I'll just show you for each niche and each location you get one page on the PDF. So there's one page dedicated to the results. Now remember, we only drilled down 6 locations. If you put 20, these would be listed all down there. But we're only interested in what is in the 3-pack, and I can tell you the number 1 ranked in the 3-pack does not have any postings in it. The top 2 have posts, and to see what they're posting, which is really important, you just click on that link, which brings up this window here. Not that one, this one. And it brings up the posts. So what we can see here is that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 posts. The first one was August 3rd, 2018, August 14, 2018, August 14, 2018, September 24, 2018, and September 24, 2018, which means they've done a couple of posts, but they are not regularly posting, which means you can easily get above this ranking purely with posting. And this one, is it? It's the same one. Okay, try this one. So this one has a few more posts, starting November 2017, December 1, 17, December 21, 17, March 18, March 18, March 18, June 18, August 3rd, 18, September 18, September 18. So they were posting almost once a month up until September 2018. So a weekly scheduled post would pretty easily get above that. And so you've got that same data for all of your niches and locations. So roofing repairs Gold Coast, in the 3-pack, number 1 and number 3 do not have any posts. That's all you need to know straight away. But if you want to check out what's happening, click on the link and see how many posts they're doing. So this gives you a wealth of data for each niche and location that you are interested in. So it's using tools like this that we supply enables you to crush it using GMBs, not in its own location, but when you do the research using our tools, you can select 9 surrounding neighborhoods that have lack of posting, or from the other data we provide in the NOVP tool, they're wrong categories, wrong location. You can select 9 that you are very confident that you can rank in the surrounding ones, even though they are not in the exact same location as the business. Using these tools, it's easy to find surrounding neighborhoods that have got lots of gaps in their optimization that you can jump in using highly optimized GMBs with regular posting, and so then you expand your reach for that local business dramatically. And not to mention, this is the only place on the planet where you can get this tool to find out which 3-packs are getting posted in or not, and if they are posting, how regularly they are posting. So I highly encourage you to join our GMB Dominator Beta membership. Join all the amazing people we've got in there, and I'll see you in the next video. Link, of course, is down below. See ya.